Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today's project, we're going to be replacing the air filter and the cabin filter in this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, there's no need to pay a service advisor or a service guy in a shop to do this. This is a fairly simple job that anybody can do at all. This is a very, very easy job. All right, so without further ado, let's get in there. I'm going to show you how to do it, and we're going to get this job done, and we'll have some nice fresh air inside the vehicle, and our engine will be breathing a little bit better as well. All right, so let's get in there and let's get started. First thing we're going to do, bring you in so you can see. Our air filter is underneath here, and it's very simple. It tells you right in here, pull out to open, and basically what you do is just grab the top here and pull it, and it opens up just like that. And inside here is where your air filter is located. Now, if you look underneath here, I'm going to show you on this one, you'll have a tab here that shows you locked and unlocked. You want to make sure you turn it to the unlocked position on both filters, the one you're putting in and the one that you're taking out. All right, so let's flip this tab down here to the unlock position. We'll flip this one down to the unlock position. You just grab the filter and you pull it out, and it just comes straight out. Just like that. That's really not that dirty, but there is a significant amount of debris inside there. And if you want your engine to breathe a little bit better, it's a good idea to change these periodically, especially with the price of fuel today. All right, so let's take our new filter, put it in here, just push it down like this, all the way in. These lock tabs, we're just going to flip it up, and then we take this and close it. Just like that, and that's all there is to it. All right, so basically what we did is we just took these lock tabs here and just pushed them back up like that, and our filter is then finished. All right, let's go inside the vehicle and let's put the filter inside the glove compartment area. Okay, so now we're inside the vehicle, and our cabin filter is located inside the glove compartment area. So we just take the glove compartment, open it up. We did clean out any kind of stuff that's inside here, and now we're going to come in here and we're going to take off. First, we're going to take off this piece right here. Let's see if you can get in there. We're going to take this piece off right here because we need to lower the glove compartment down a little lower. So we're just going to take this, work it back and forth, and pull it off just like this, and we can leave it hanging right there. Next, we're going to come inside, and you can see these little tabs right here. Next, we're going to come in here with these little tabs right here, and we're going to take this and we're going to turn it just so we can remove the lock tab like that. We'll take it and turn it, and then we'll pull it out. Just like this. Do the exact same thing on this side over here. Turn it, put it down, flip this down just like that, and I'll bring you in there and let's show you what it looks like inside there. Hope you can see okay. I know it's kind of dark. All right, so this is the area where the filter is located here. And what you basically do is take that tab, push it down. You take this tab over here, push it down, and you can lift this up just like that. Hold it up, grab the filter, and you slide it out like that. All right, now you can see it's really not that dirty, but there is a significant amount of debris inside there. So we are going to throw this away, and we'll get a new filter and we'll slide it in there. Okay, now we're going to take our new filter and we're going to slide it in. I just want to point this out to you. This is our new filter. Make sure that you have the air flow in the correct direction. The air comes in from the top here and goes down that way. Okay, so that's the way we're going to put it back in there. We're going to take this, lift this up, just like that, put the filter in, and slide it in until it doesn't go any further. Just like that. Again, our airflow is that direction right there. We're going to push that back up, take this, push it down, lock it in place there, lock it in place there. Next, we're going to take the glove box, we'll put it back up, and we'll attach everything else. Okay, so we'll take our glove compartment, we'll lift it back up, and we're going to put our lock tabs right in here and lock it in place. And basically, they just go in, turn it, and lock it. Hope you can see that just like that. And lock it in place right there. We'll do the exact same thing with this one here. It just goes in on the side right here. take it, turn it, lock it in place, and that's it. And last but not least, we're going to reattach. Last but not least, we're going to reattach this. Just take it, lift it over the end right here, and push it in. Rock it back and forth, and it snaps right in. And that's it. Cabin filter is finished. And again, this is the old filter. Okay. So as you can see, changing your air filter and your cabin filter is a very simple job that just about anybody could do. Just make sure you lock your air filter back in place and you'll be fine, you'll be good to go. No need to buy it from the dealer. You can buy them aftermarket and they're just as good, if not better, than the ones you're going to get from the dealer. That's including the cabin filter as well. This cabin filter was from the dealer. This is the original OEM, and the replacement actually was much better than this one here. But that's it. This job is done and we're on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.